guys, welcome to Berlin Harbor, and today we're gonna do a little review on this Audi A4 B9. So this A4 B9 exactly as our friend Ruslan that we do in modification on. Completely stuck, and this car came from the corporate auto auction. Actually, our friends bought this car for the flip. So we're actually gonna be selling this car on eBay. So if you wanna buy this car today, right now, with discount for you guys, go to the link and it's gonna be awesome. So as far as damage, it was arm control on this side. So it was undercarriage damage, and also was the windshield replaced. Also all the wheels was replaced. So arm control, windshield, and all the wheels. As far as modification, there's no modification on this car. If you guys wanna see what you can do with the car, you can lower it, you can do grille upgrade, headlight, mirrors, everything. It's links gonna be in description for this part. But as far as this car, it's a Quattro, so it's good for the snow, good for the winter. So here you can see the interior is pretty stuck. In comparison to Ruslan's Audi, this interior is actually black. I think it looks a little bit better with this silver accent. And you can do modification. You can install this panel to be carbon fiber if you want. But as far as all the features, it has auto start. Also, this car have a navigation system, and it's 54,000 miles. So it's still good to go. So as you can see, guys, this seats is actually bucket seats. It's a little different from the A4 B9 of our friend Ruslan.
So if we compare the two cars, the Ruslan's 2017 B9 and this B9, so the damage on his was flooded and this one was undercarriage. And the price is, so they're selling this one for 16.5, correct?
Yeah, around this price, yeah.
16.5, and Ruslan's was 17 he bought it for. Now Ruslan had, I believe, 19,000, right, on his car?
19,000 miles, yeah, but it's pretty sketchy to buy actually a flooded car, I would say, because you never know what's gonna happen next with the car. And if you like the car, that legit car that you need to be confident in, you wake up in the morning, you grab your keys, you go into the car, and you know it's gonna work 20,000, 40,000, 50,000 more miles. If you guys gas savers, that's car for you. I don't like the auto stuff, to be honest. I mean, in comparison to my personal Jetta GLI, all-wheel drive, it's a lot better. All-wheel drive, especially for Colorado, for the snow, for the mountains. So this car actually is not perfect as every car you can see. I will show you just the damage that it has. So on this side you can see this like a little bend. I mean, it's doable to repair if you want it, but we just leave it as is. On this side you can see this little scratch on the bumper. If you go and look closer, should be visible just as this. I mean, it's not like pretty serious damage. And on this side, here's the one more dent, and I think that's it. Let us know, guys, what do you think? Audi A4 B9 is the newest body. For my opinion, it's as far as the best. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.